Peter Obi produces software experts in order to interrogate him in the court. A software engineer, Mr. Anthony Chinwo, on Thursday testified before the Presidential Election Petition Court sitting in Abuja in the case the candidate of the Labour Party, Mr. Peter Obi, filed to challenge the outcome of the 2023 presidential election. Chinwo, who gave his evidence as the second petitioner's witness, told the court that though he was not familiar with the application of the Bimodal Voter Accreditation System (BVAS), he said he has adequate knowledge of the operation of back-end servers. Answering questions under cross-examination, the witness, who equally identified himself as an architect, told the court that he did not play any key role during the election. He admitted that Amazon Web Services (AWS), which the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) used for the general elections, was one of the most trusted providers of cloud computer services, with 99% security assurance. He said the Amazon Web Services was usually used by companies and individuals that are concerned about security of their data. However, deployment of AWS is one thing, but utilizing it is something else, he added. Asked how he gathered information on the election, which he analyzed, the witness said, "My lords, I used publicly available INEC Application Programming Interface (API) to conduct analysis of the election. I used them to collect all the information that were available on the election. I did it over time during the period of the election." The witness maintained that INEC ought to have uploaded data to its server starting from the polling unit level. Continuing, the second witness, while admitting that he was unable to vote on the election day, said he was equally not a staff of Amazon. Asked if he knew the number of softwares that INEC deployed for the conduct of the election, the witness said, "I am not a staff of INEC, so I am not in position to know the number of softwares that made the components of the softwares that INEC used for the 2023 election." After he was discharged from the witness box, the Justice Haruna Samani-led five-member panel admitted in evidence 4 INEC Forms EC40G from Bayelsa State, which Obi tendered through a member of his legal team, Mr. Patrick Ikweto, SAN. Form EC40G are summary of registered voters at polling unit where election did not hold. The court admitted the ones from Bayelsa State and marked them as Exhibit EG1 to EG4. Though all the respondents opposed the admissibility of the exhibit, they however reserved their reasons for the final written address. Cited as first to fourth respondents in the petition are the INEC, the President-elect Bola Tinubu, the Vice President-elect Kashim Shettima, and the All Progressive Congress (APC). Meanwhile, the court adjourned further proceedings till Friday, after it heard an application that Obi and the Labour Party filed for permission to interrogate INEC on the technology it deployed for the conduct of the general elections. All the respondents prayed the court to dismiss the application, which they said was brought outside the pre-hearing period. Specifically, the petitioners maintained that in view of INEC's reply to their petition, it should be compelled to answer 12 questions, among which are the date the electoral body conducted functionality tests on the said improved system it deployed for the elections, as well as names and details of those who conducted the test. They further want INEC to answer the following questions: who created, deployed the 4 applications patches, updates to fix the HTTP 500 error that prevented the e-transmission of the results of the presidential election on 25th February 2023. What was the exact time of the occurrence of the technical glitch which prevented the e-transmission of the result of the presidential election on 25th February 2023? What time were the technological glitches fixed or repaired? What percentage of the result of the presidential election was uploaded on the IREF on 25th February 2023? What percentage of the result of the presidential election was uploaded on the IREF as at the time of the declaration of the result of the presidential election on 1st March 2023? If the presidential election was conducted concurrently with National Assembly elections on the same day and at the same time using the same technological devices, why were there glitches with respect to the presidential election? The petitioners queried INEC in the application they described as very vital to their case against President Tinubu's election victory. That was how it panned out well. I am going to keep updating you on what is going on the election tribunal today. So please stay close to your channel, subscribe if you've not yet done so, turn on your bell icon, and we will notify you whenever we bring a new update. Thanks for watching.